Let me give you a little tour of this. This was a Bremond Police Department Crown Victoria. I need to look at the VIN, see if it's I think it's a P71. I don't think it's a P7B. I think it's older. I don't know what year. Obviously not in WJ Handy Dad condition in here. You can't even see there. The inside of the brake fluid is black. I did look at that. Power steering is at the minimum. Coolant, looks like they went with orange. Don't know if they went with Ford orange or a different orange. Obviously I didn't do any of the service on it. And I think maybe you can see P71. It does have the street appearance package on it. Whether they ordered it that way or did it afterward. But what's funny, then they took off the Crown Victoria emblem and put Police Interceptor there. And you see it is dirty. And it always concerns me when you see stuff like crazy glue. What are they crazy gluing in here? What's broken that they're thinking they need to fix? Weird that that seatbelt there is buckled. Maybe they had equipment there, I don't know. I'm guessing this literally came out of service and to my department. This stuff is all broke. You hear like a relay clicking, but nothing happening. I didn't try the windows. Mileage though, 94,000. It's awfully rough for that mileage. And of course all these lights are on: brake, ABS, and the low tire. I'm assuming the low tire is just the TPMS battery or batteries, maybe dead. I'm assuming the brake is probably the ABS module. I'm gonna put the code reader on here. You see we've got actual operating radar. Spotlight does not work. Still has working radio. All the lights and stuff work. I think you can see it reflecting off of there. But as you see, they still have everything hooked up on here. This is actually going to our department, so they're not taking all this stuff out. Here's your radar. I'm gonna pull that before we kill the battery. It doesn't work over there either. So the locks do not work. And what a mess. Also, they even got the police, if you want them, hubcaps there. Looks like some equipment stuff left over. There's the jack. Some sort of bug killer. I don't know what they were using all that paint for. Lots of dirt and junk. There's your light system there. Half wonder if the car was maybe black and they painted it silver. Yeah, it looks like it was black or black and white. So this may be twice recycled now. It may have been someone else before it was Bremond. And I'm wondering if that's like a rat poison or something. Just again, no life there. And that does not open thanks to this. I don't know if I can wiggle that out of the way or not, but you see there's a bunch of stuff in there. And you have the standard issue police seat instead of the prisoner seat, although they left the partition in. They have not asked me to remove any of that stuff. All I was doing was removing the decals. But there again, you see the black and white paint scheme. So I'm guessing when Bremond had it, they wanted it to look more street appearance instead of leaving it black and white, even though they have a light bar on it. But I can tell you this, I just drove this like 3 miles, 5 miles, whatever it is, to my shop from the city, and it's not one of my Crown Vics, I'll tell you that. Mine are superior in every way. I mean, they're smooth, they accelerate, they brake, no lights on the dash, anything like that. My headlights aren't all yellowed and stuff. But it's still a Vic, and it's only got 94,000 miles, so it's probably got plenty of life left in it. And it's going to end up being our code enforcement vehicle for right now. I don't know if it will end up being our police vehicle once we actually get officers.